How to upload Loom video to Google Drive. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can upload any video here on loom.com into Google Drive. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first of all, you must check which video you want to download first and then upload into your Google Drive. Let's suppose it's this. So if you move your pointer on top of your video, you're going to obtain these three dots, more actions, and you're going to be able to download a video. But this download video option is only available with a business plan or above. Okay, so you must upgrade your plan, and by now the cheaper plan, the business plan, is $12.50 per creator. So first of all, you must upgrade that. Once you have done that, you're going to be able to download your video. And once you have downloaded your video, you must go into your Google Drive. In your Google Drive, what you must do is just go into the new and file upload. There you're going into your downloads folder and you're going to check the video you have downloaded. Click on open. And this is going to be starting to upload your item. Okay, this is the only solution by now that I can give you, because as I told you, it is really important and necessary to upgrade your Loom plan, and that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.